Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some chili taco popcorn. Alright, first thing we gotta do is pop the popcorn, which will involve heating up over a medium to medium-high heat, 3 tablespoons of veggie oil or peanut oil, basically whatever oil you choose. Place the half a cup of uncooked popcorn kernels in there, and basically you just want to start moving this back and forth, and you can't stop. So make sure you have some good hot pads. And basically you just want to go, in a couple of, about 30 seconds, you'll start to hear popping, and you just want to keep going till you don't hear any more popping. And then kill the heat and get it off the heat immediately. Alright, let's zip a little bit further ahead into time. As you can see here, our popcorn is done and we have it in a bowl. It is important to use a great big pot, because if your pot is too small, your popcorn will burn. So, basically, biggest kettle you got. And to our roughly 5 cups of popped popcorn, we're going to add a half a stick of butter, and here is the spice mix that I had to do. A 1 ounce taco seasoning pack, a little bit of hot sauce that's coming, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of seasoning salt, Lowry's seasoning salt to be specific, and then you just want to grab a piece of tin foil and just shake the hell out of it. Shake till it's evenly coated. If you want a time, about a minute. And after about a minute of shaking, you should be looking at something a little bit like that. So that's chili taco popcorn. Perfect for any game time or just any movie night or any old time. Anyway, it's done.